What's up, everybody? So I know it's a little bit different. I wanted to get like a backdrop, the whole setup and stuff like that from Amazon. I was looking at like the cheaper side of things, getting a like an 8 by 10 or something like that. It'll run me like $42 or something like that. What if I just break it down and just do it myself, as far as just getting fabric and then just hanging it up somewhere sturdy? This video is for anyone that was thinking about doing a DIY backdrop. Right here where my window is, I was thinking about like just covering that up with garbage bags, and that way no light will leak inside of it. And then after that, then you put up the actual backdrops, the fabric that I bought from Walmart. So this right here is, I was watching some videos and they were saying like get some stretchy fabric and stuff like that. So I got some, like, it's not really silk, it's polytechno. Yeah, polytechno. It's shiny, it stretches. This was only $9.94. That was $9.94, and then I got some white. Is it like really? Whatever. This one was only $2. $2 for a yard. Now we got this light setup, we got this different vibe, you know what I'm talking about. It just feels better. I'm looking at the preview, and the preview just looks a lot better. It looks a lot more professional and stuff like that, and it just feels good. Y'all like the new backdrop? Y'all think I should do more stuff with this backdrop? I'm kind of feeling it, you know what I'm saying? I'm kind of in it now. I'm mad. This is the white background. It's looking pretty decent, you know what I'm saying? I say got a little vignetting stuff right here. Got some vignetting right here. But other than that, I say it looks pretty decent. Some B-roll, product photography, whatever you're trying to do. And I also got the light right here. It's like kind of dimmed. So I actually like this setup. So that's two different setups that you can get for less than $15, you feel me? Let's just take some pictures with the white backdrop, you know what I'm talking about. So that's how you do a DIY setup. You got the white, you got the black, you can do headshots, you can do the, what is it, the waist up shots, I forgot what it was called, but yeah, you can get all those done. And nobody will really know that you did it in your room or wherever you put it at. I did mine in my room. If you like this, make sure you like press the like button, and you share it with anyone else that may find this helpful. And subscribe, press that subscribe button. I'll see y'all in the next video.